We got a 2018 Toyota Camry right here. We're gonna do a air filter swap on it, engine air filter. Gonna get the hood popped open first. It's inside here, right? This is the part number we got. CarQuest come from Advanced Auto Parts. They said it's a premium. Part number 93942. It's real easy. Gonna get this little harness off there, get this harness off here, and then get the mass airflow sensor unplugged, get that put out the way. Now you just got a clip here, push it back. You got one right here, push it back, and then you have those two right there, which is just locked in place. So pretty much what you do is lift the front up and pull it towards the front. See, it popped out. Now we're gonna lift it up, get the old filter out, which don't look that bad, right? Don't look too bad at all. But we got a filter to replace. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the new filter. We're gonna get it lined up, put in place here. Sorry about that, thought I was filming that part. Get the backside locked back in. All right, push the front side down, lock it here, lock it there, plug this sensor back up, clamp that back, and that's all she wrote. Less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, baby. Give me a thumbs up on that one. Like and subscribe. Help me out. Peace.